Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。Leo 啊，我不再要求你唱歌了，因为每次我问你说要不要唱歌，你就说
我不知道怎么唱啊。
Every time I ask Leo to sing a song for us, a Hakka song for us, he refuses. So today I said, you know what? Forget about songs. Let's jump right into nursery rhymes. 所以今天我还是就直接就问你有没有什么童谣来介绍给大家好了。
好，今天介绍的童谣呢，跟个小动物有点关系。
哦，童谣嘛，一定是小朋友小动物。好，什么小动物？
好，叫做羊妹妹。
羊妹妹啊？
对，就是羊妹妹，没错。
That's Sister Sheep。我们来听听看。
羊妹妹18歲，炒火茶，轉每家，炒到奶，炒到梅樹下，2條米，大糍粑，無糖好溫本奶茶。
哦，好想跟你一起押韵哦，rap 的感觉哦。但是我还是要先听你解说，我才能念得出来哦。第一段，杨妹妹好像她几岁，是不是？
对，她18歲，18歲。
18歲 ，OK， that means this little kid is 18 years old。然后做什么？
就是坐火车，炒火茶，
茶，
轉每家，回娘家。
回娘家，哦 ，OK，taking the train going back home， 然后又要做什么？
对，她娘家在哪里？所以她坐到梅树下。
OK， 这个梅树下到底是什么地方？
我也不知道，
对不对？OK，sometimes nursery rhymes don't have to make sense, but it continues saying that she rides the train, she goes home, she gets to a tree. There's no reason behind it, but it rhymes. OK， 那最后两句呢
？2斗米大糍粑，就是用2斗米去做糍粑。
这个我一直都记得啊，印象深刻。OK，
吃的你都记得了。
Yes, using rice, she makes some mochi for you or sticky rice dessert. 然后最后一句，
无糖好温本奶茶，就是没有糖好沾，就沾泥巴。就形容他们在玩那个加酒啦，分嘎啦啦。
Okay. Taking this mochi, you're supposed to dip it in sugar, but they didn't have sugar, so she decided to dip it in sand. Just 好玩嘛，哦，
对
，just for fun. Let's hear Leo say it one more time. 再讲一次。
羊妹妹18歲，炒火茶，轉每家，炒到奶，炒到梅樹下，2斗米，大糍粑。無糖好溫奶茶。
And there you go, he's Leo, and this is FM 100. Hey， 押韵了哈。
对，什么大家？
俺自谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.